So to test this, what you do is, so you start from 1, you plug that into 1. Yeah, so you're going to do 1 all the way to 20.
Okay.
Put this. Cool, so what you're doing, is you need to put it in 1.
Okay. Is it okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
Just that the battery's dying on this, but it still works.
Okay.
And then you go into 2, and then you check 2. Then you go into 2.
2.
Hold on. Ah, it's this one. You hear that?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine. And then you go into 3, and you continue.
Thank you. Okay. What's the mission? This mission's name is BTS. It's a nice mission actually. Looks good. It's just like a Geiger mission. Comes in like this one.
That's what I'm thinking.
When I get to the corner, I kind of tell me.
Just to be clear, put it down like this.
Yeah, so along that way, nice and tight.
This is how to do it, like this.
Yeah.
This is your first one, right? So you start with
That's fine. Yeah, you pull that out.
right, so it's much like
It's not coming out. Pull it with like an up. Yeah.
right.
You're never missing a pair.
The battery is gone off this.
You just put the last bearing. I think that's actually dead. What, did it just die?
Yeah, I got one from me.
No, this one, are you sure it's dead? Ah, it was off. See, there's a little shade something. Oh, yeah, where's that? So, make sure it's always on the left.
Yeah.
Okay, this is on the left. If it's on the right, or in the middle, we take this off. So pull it to the left, so it goes onto a cylinder.
This is the one we're checking oscillator.
Yeah.
What does oscillator mean?
I don't know.
I don't know.
All I know is that it makes a funny noise. So you would use this tone and probe machine when you're working by yourself to find out what you're working on. So you plug that bit into somewhere in the house, and then you go to
the thingy.
the box, and then you'll be doing that all of them. And then when it makes the noise, that's you know you're working on that one. That's how we locate a house.
If anyone knows what's the meaning of oscillator, let me know on the video, yeah. So, let's try it actually. I'm no professional in this. Oscillator.
Oh, you got to Germany first before you test.
If I wasn't recording, I'd be asking that thing, what is called. Do you need to press that on button just to check it? Do you need to press this button? Okay. Okay. Sounds weak. Okay. That's the sound.
is insane.
As we're gonna take this thing in. Now we're checking fire, we just have to go into fire. Six. What are you looking for, bro? What is that chrome thingy? Oh, okay, block.
Yeah.
Or whatever it's called.
Bruv, chrome tool.
Well, it's not there. Where is it? What, are there no more? Oh, the block. Oh.
Which box did you work? Take it.
Yeah, but you could say that about this one as well. Well, the other one. But the other ones, yeah, well, those things there.
7, 8.
God mercy. Oh, you always use it. Yeah.
Let me show you this thingy. On this patch panel, we're gonna be buying this machine. See those things. And you just put the thing in there. Put into a solution. It's 12. Otherwise it's 12. 13.
So I'm thinking of this one. What do I need to do now?
19.
It needs to be control each other and not face like.
So this thing, this panel's made. I made this one today, so this one works perfect. I just need to put it into the box now.